Hello everybody, and welcome to Workshop Studios, where we're going to fix these loppers. And the loppers have got a broken little bumper there, and you can see the little bumper right here. This is the part that broke off. Can you see that little broken bit there? And they were supposed to go right here. Oops. Uh-oh. So the problem is that when you try to push them together, you bang your hands right here, right there. That's not good. So we're going to put some new bumpers on there. And here are the bumpers that I'm going to use right here. So we're going to put those right there. So stay tuned and enjoy the fix-it. The first thing we'll do is grind the rivets out of the old one. And they're right here, right there. So we're going to use the grinder and we're going to grind those rivets out. So this might go kind of fast. Hold on and wear your eye protection. Next, we're going to use a punch to punch those old rivets out of there. We'll use a punch and a hammer. So watch how this goes. All right, now we got the old one out. That took some pounding on. And the new ones are right there. So we're going to use two of those bumpers to do the same job. And I'll show you how we're going to do that. Well, okay, I think we got it now. So we took two of these and some of this, which is called plumber's tape. It's a metal strap, and we bent it around and put a bolt through there. You can see the bolt in the middle there, and it goes through the strap, and that's bolted to here. So now when we open and close it, we don't bang our hands together anymore. I'll show you real quick here. See? There we go. It closes just fine. So I think we got it at least for now, and we were able to fix these shears up rather than throwing them into the trash. So I hope you enjoyed, and happy fixing for you. Bye.